I'm Charles Osborne, and for 68 years, I was the world's hiccup champion. It all started in 1922 when I fell off a scale while weighing myself. That's when the hiccups began. Over 430 million hiccups later, they finally stopped in 1990. Imagine trying to live a normal life with that constant interruption. I even tried everything, holding my breath, drinking water upside down, you name it. I became a bit of a local legend, appearing on TV shows and in newspapers. Despite the struggle, I found humor in it, and I never let it define me. I lived a full life, proving that even the most unusual challenges can't hold you back.